Hi, ladies. Today is May 12th, and we are in our packet on page 33. Again, today is May 12th, and we are on 33 in our packet for today's CGI lesson. All right, so going ahead and getting started. Jack has $96.72. Over the weekend, he spent $37.50. How much money does he have left? All right, so Jack in his pocket has a total of $96.72. And then over the weekend, maybe he went to Crossgates Mall and he spends $37.50. And we want to ask ourselves, so now that he's spent this money, he took some money out of his pocket, we want to know how much money does he have left? All right, so thinking about this question, I want you to visualize what's happening. So in Jack's pocket, he has $96.72. He's going to go to Crossgates Mall. He's going to head into Macy's or wherever, and he's going to spend $37.50 of that $96.72. So we want to know how much money he has left. So I want you to think, is Jack going to have more money than $96.72 when he leaves Crossgates Mall, or will he have less than $96.72? Thinking about that word left, how much money does he have left? What is that telling us? And what does that tell us about the operation that maybe we want to be doing? Also, think about your units that you're working with in this problem. We have $96.72 and $37.50. And how can I use those two units? Maybe what would my visual look like? Do I know my total? If I know my total, can I make that get any bigger, or is that where it stays? Are we trying to find something smaller than that? So think about how we can use these quantities and think about this word left. How much money does he have left after he went into a store, purchased some items out of the money he had, and left? All right, so at this point, make sure that you are working on getting your planning section filled out. If you can think of a way to maybe create a visual for this using a bar diagram or some other sort of visual, please make sure that's on your paper. And then once you've completed the entire assignment, go ahead and unpause and we will check it together. Hi, ladies. All right, so again, today is May 12th and we are on page 33 in your packet. We're talking about Jack today, and he went to Crossgates Mall, he spent some money, and we want to know how much money he has left. So looking at our quantities, we had $96.72, and that's the total money that Jack had. He goes into a store and he buys a new pair of shoes and spends $37.50. And now we want to know, when he's leaving the mall, how much money he has left. So thinking about this problem, $96.72 is going to be our total. Okay. So this is going to be that quantity that we don't want to get any bigger than. We can't, he's not earning any money, he's spending the money he has. So that money is now going to get smaller because he's spending it. So he spends $37.50, and we want to know how much money is left out of the total that he started with. So because our quantities are both in the unit of money, we know if we have the same unit, we can add or subtract them together. We also know that we want our value to get smaller. So we know we don't want to multiply or add, because then those are going to make our quantity larger. We already know our total, so immediately we can eliminate multiplication and addition. We're not making equal parts. So we just want to find that difference to figure out how much is left. So in order to do that, we're going to be subtracting. So we're going to take that $96.72 and we're going to subtract $37.50. And remember, when you are adding or subtracting decimals, you want to make sure that you line up your decimal. The 3 is going to be in the tens place, so it's lining up with the 9. The 7 is in the ones place, so it's lining up with the 6. And then we have 50 cents. 5 in the tens place, 0 in the hundredths place. Now we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down your decimal straight down. We can't do 6 minus 7, so this 9 becomes an 8. The 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 7 gives us 9. And then 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So in order to check our work, we want to do that opposite operation. Okay? So our opposite operation means that we're going to be taking these two quantities, adding them together to get this quantity. So basically, we're flipping it around and doing $59.22 plus $37.50 to hopefully get $96.72. So starting with our $59.22. Also, when we subtract, remember, you always want to start with your larger quantity. You can't do $37.50 on top because that's a smaller amount. You can't take a larger amount of money from a smaller amount. All right, so again, we're going to add $37.50. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So double checking, $96.72 is correct. So that means that we are correct here. So the amount of money that he has left after spending his money is $59.22. And in order to solve this problem, the equation that matches our work is $96.72 minus $37.50, which gave us a difference of $59.22. So just a reminder, when adding and subtracting decimals, you want to make sure that those decimals are lined up. And then also making sure that you're using your units and listing that these are dollar amounts because that can change your answer. We want to make sure that we're talking about money here, so $59.22, and then also making sure that you have your dollar signs listed in your equation.